we can tell you we are thoroughly impressed with the process we went through. They used the agile methodology of project management, and communication was clear. It was concise. What we were billed for was not only delivered, it was delivered beyond our expectations. Hi guys, my name is Jeff McElroy. My wife Debbie and I travel around the world leading marriage and parenting and family conferences, and formed a nonprofit organization called Forever Families with the explicit desire to strengthen marriages and families across the globe. One of the things that we thought would be really cool as a part of our mission was to create an online site where we could help couples that were engaged or seriously dating or newly married to be able to not only get great content about what they would need for a successful lifelong marriage, but to also connect with other couples that were also starting out their marriage. And so we reached out to BuddyBoss and we said, look, we're looking at the social learner platform. It's great to deliver content, but the purpose of good content ultimately is to connect people around that content. And so when we reached out, Michael Eisenwasser and some of the team there said, well, let us tell you about this new BuddyBoss platform that we're working on. As they began to share what their ideas were with that, we were all in. And man, I can tell you, we have not looked back. We haven't yet launched our site, but just what we have shared with the churches that we've worked with through the years, they are so excited. They are saying, man, we are ready to go. We love this idea. In fact, now they're starting to say, we think this is the best way to connect people around content. And so now they're wanting to talk to us about, how did you do this? This is cutting edge. This is where all of content delivery needs to go, whether it's through churches, through schools, through businesses, and staff training and development. So we can tell you we are thoroughly impressed with the process we went through. They used the agile methodology of project management, and communication was clear. It was concise. What we were billed for was not only delivered, it was delivered beyond our expectations. So now, not only have we decided we're going to do this for our content for premarital couples, but we are taking all the content that we have ever taught, getting it all filmed, delivering it all through our BuddyBoss platform and the website we built, for the purpose then of connecting couples and families from across the globe in sharing and encouraging and inspiring each other to build homes that last. So BuddyBoss, we can't tell you thank you enough. And if you are looking for a way to deliver great content and to get people engaged around this content, you would be robbing yourself to not reach out to the BuddyBoss folks. Next, we're looking at taking what we've developed and going to their AppBoss platform and beginning to develop the app out of the website that we've done. So thank you guys. We look forward to working with you for many years in the future.